Cody Curry here with Walker Evans at the 2013 SEMA show. SEMA is all about the specialty equipment market, so we got everything from off-road to performance. Everything new for the next year is here at the SEMA show.
Hi, my name is Amanda Larson. I'm here with Rigid Industries at SEMA, and we are here displaying a lot of our new product, showing dealers and distributors and the public everything new that we have to offer. SEMA's good. SEMA's been really busy this year. A lot of new faces.
Everyone's afraid we're going to get hit by it, but I'm here for SEMA 2013 with Toyo Tires, exhibiting all these amazing cars.
Welcome to the GoPro booth here at SEMA 2013. So SEMA really provides us an amazing environment to showcase our product. It brings the whole automotive community together in one place. You know, all the different cultures you have within the community, whether it's racing, show cars, or just regular street cars. We all speak to that with the GoPro camera, and they all can come here, get the whole GoPro experience, check out our new product, ask questions, and learn more about GoPro.
And now, impressive stuff. Rob McCaffrey, not the only winner here. Nice job.
Race and a shout out, Sheldon Creed out here in Vegas.